Hi guys, quickly on IonQ. Made some adjustments. I think yesterday I was like trying to count this as maybe an initial 1, 2, and then trying to finish the correction here. I think it was like this then. Clearly wasn't the case, we dropped down more. I changed a little bit the internal structure, made this the A wave, 3 waver, then your B wave here, 1, 2, and your C wave here, or here, because like ideally I want to see 5 waves in a C wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put it here, short X wave. I want to check something quickly. I mean, could also put it here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. And to get the absolute perfect micro, it's difficult. I'm trying my best, but I'm just gonna keep it like this. Then again here in A, B, instead of finishing here and this being A wave 1, 2, we didn't get the further upside, so I label this as a B. And then now the C wave should again have 5 waves. We have 3 now for maybe one more low, maybe we don't get it again. It doesn't always give that perfect like microstructure, because we're on the 15-minute chart. This line here is the time compared from your wave 2 to this wave 4. We still have room to the downside. Wave 4 would be invalidated below this 618, but we dropped already 17% now from the highs. Generally also you have a falling wedge, tends to break to the upside. Getting exactly where the low is difficult. Yeah, 62.83 we could watch. And the strand line we could watch as well. If this breaks, might be a first signal that we are moving up. But it's gonna be a volatile few days, I think, with all the news that's now Netanyahu is meeting with Trump, then what numbers was it, like job openings, etc. this week. So still leaning towards this scenario. We will get one more high in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Risk was high here for a correction. I repeated it like for days. We got it now, and now the question is, when is this one in? I don't think we're gonna do something like this. It would not be impossible, but I think we might just be finished after this. What's the S&P doing? The S&P, I'm tracking something similar. I changed my chart a little bit. I had here a double 1, 2. Now because it's invalidated with how deep this came, I labeled it as a 1, 2 ABC in your wave 3. We did get near to the 1.618 measured from this 1-2 setup. Now correcting this third wave then, fibs taken from here to the top. And now, yeah, internally here we hit the 886. So also here looking for one more high. But again, this might be, yeah, I could change this a little bit because with one more high, I don't know if you can get to the next fib level. Maybe it is gonna be a 1-2, 1-2, but then, yeah, with overlap and then an internal diagonal pattern. But I'll change that in the S&P 500 video, maybe if it happens. Back to IonQ. Yeah, 1 hourly is also oversold now, I think nearly up. So yeah, where exactly this will turn around, can't say that. 1-to-1 is interesting. Internally, yeah, I tried again now with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this C wave. Let's see if this we get this one more low or not. But yeah, trend line is interesting. My 20 EMA has given resistance as well, along with this trend line. So yeah, initial break above this thing would also be a first step. And then yeah, internally we want to see like 5 waves on like the lower time frames, and then a corrective wave to have like a 1-2 setup, and then yeah. So yeah, let's see what Trumpy is gonna do, and that's IonQ. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.